What is a good gravity score on Clickbank? First off, let's understand what the gravity score means. Gravity score means how popular a product is and how often it makes sales. So if I take Exipure as an example right here, it means that this product makes sales for affiliate marketers constantly. Now, what gravity score is actually good? Well, if we go rank it by gravity, it really depends on what you want to do with the product. If you want to promote it, you can take the gravity score, the higher the gravity score, as an example or as a reason for making sales. So if other people are making sales with that said product, for example, Exipure with the huge gravity score, it means that most likely you will be able to convert clicks into sales as well. So essentially, the higher the gravity score, the more likely you are to make a sale if you refer people. If others are doing it, then so can you. So the answer to what a good gravity score is, the answer is the bigger the gravity score, the more likely you are to convert your clicks into sales. So go for products with high gravity scores, for example, GlucoTrust, or if you sort them by gravity like that, clicking here on gravity, Exipure, Prodentum, Icaria Juice, all of those, maybe up to the third page are all products with good gravity scores. So try to go for something over 100 gravity score is my suggestion. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.